Sometimes on X or Twitter, since you last logged in, you may miss some things. If you want to get those things as email notifications, you can enable one setting. After that, you'll get those notifications in your email. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to enable this kind of notifications. For this, open the X application. After that, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see settings and support. Click on this. And here you can see settings and privacy. Click on this option. And here you can see notifications. Click on notifications. And here you can see preferences. Click on preferences. When you're clicking on that, you can see email notifications. Just click on that and here you can see email notifications. If it is turned off, just turn it on. And after that, under that you can see from X and here under that you can see things you have missed since you last logged into X. And if it is turned off, you need to enable that. After that, you will get email notifications for things you have missed since you last logged into X. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.